Look, okay guys, so today's gonna be raining like thunderings. You have to look. Okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube if you can like me. Like right now it's raining.
Oh shit!
Shit, I forgot about that. I missed that. Look at that. It's almost open and then it's gonna be closed.
Hey, is it gonna be like Zombies Day, boo?
Oh damn! Look at your.
Oh! It was on top of us!
I know it was on top of us, so I'm gonna be on this side. Oh, it's about to rain.
Where's Angel?
Put in here.
Yo, I'm gonna be so pissed off we don't have Wi-Fi.
You saw that, guys?
I'll be pissed off if we don't have Wi-Fi. Hey, Joshua.
You saw it, guys? So yeah, so it's the lightning. Look at that. Oh, it's about to rain.
Oh my god, turn the... Ooh, it's so dark!
Hey, look over there, bro.
Oh my god, look, it turned so dark.
Yo, look over there.
Look,
Damn.
it's all dark. Look,
What? Where?
it's getting dark already.
God, you're gonna fucking die.
Oh shit, it's raining now. Where I'm getting wet. Oh shit, you saw it.
Get hide!
I got that on video.
Hide! Hide so high.